Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let in a binomial distribution. So, it is talking about binomial distribution consisting five independent trials. So, there are five independent trials. Probability of exactly one and two success be this and this respectively. So probability of exactly one success is this and probability of exactly two success is this. Okay, then the probability of getting exactly three success is equal to. Now try to understand this thing. So they have given you probability of one success. Probability of one success means what? It is 5 events. So can I say that it is 5C1, then P power 1, P is success, okay, then Q power 4. So this is equal to 0.4096. Okay, then we have second entity as probability of two success. Two success means 5C2 and then P power 2 Q power 3 equals 0.2048. Now try to understand this thing. You know that there are two variables P and Q. So first you have to calculate who is P, who is Q. But if you'll observe, if you will add, it won't help you. You will take certain things common, but you cannot manipulate everything. If you will subtract also, it will have the same problem. But if you will think of divide, this is the thing which you have to go for. If you'll observe this number and this number, so this is twice of this thing, correct? So if we will go for divide, it will help. So what I will do, I will be writing 5C1 P Q power 4 equals 0.4096 upon 5C2 P square Q power 3 upon 0.2048. Now you can simplify things. So you will be left with, so who is 5C1? Try to understand. I will be writing certain numbers. So I can write 5 factorial by 1 factorial and then 4 factorial. We have P, we have Q power 4. Now I will be writing 5C2. So we have 5 factorial, then we have 2 factorial, then we have 3 factorial, and then P square Q cube, and it is 2. Okay, now look at this. You can neutralize this thing gone, this thing gone. You are left with 4. Then it is 2. This gone, this and this is gone. You are left with Q by 2P equals 2. So can I say that Q is equal to, we have 4P. So this equation we got. Okay, now you know that you have to find out the exact value of P and Q, and you got one relationship between P and Q. Do you have any other relation in P and Q? Yes, we do have. That is P plus Q equals to 1. You know that Q is equal to 4 times P. So can I say that P plus 4P equals 1? So P is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now, so if P is this, can I say that Q is 4 by 5? Okay. Now, now look at this. What we have to calculate. Then the probability of getting exactly 3 success. So probability of exactly 3 success is what? 5C3 P power 3 and then q power 2. Now you have to substitute value of p and q, taking from here and here, and then you will get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.